There's a story I made about issues affecting people of Homa Bay regarding the employments. They are being given fake letters from the county departments, public service board, from the county secretary. So it was published in the People Daily on Friday. So not knowing, there was a victim, not a victim, but somehow someone was mentioned who was involved in this case was around. So they ordered me to make an apology immediately, to write a story apologizing that the lady was not involved in such a case. But I told them such a story cannot run immediately. It was breaking news. So after some few minutes, the lady made a call to one of the two guys. I don't know whether I can call them goons or what, known to me. One is Abdi, and the other one is Bargatoni. So these guys started beating me up. They beat me up, and I was taken to an Harrier car. I was put in a boat, and they moved with me almost, I don't know, I can never tell. And they even forced me to smoke a weed. Smoke a weed. Yeah. So the lady threatened to take me for 3 days. Then by the time some of our friends came, and she was somehow engaged in some conversation with the friends, it was when I got the opportunity to leave. Yeah, the place is somehow close to the road. Yeah.
Now, as members of the media from Homa Bay County, we want to condemn in the strongest terms possible the attack that was meted on our colleague Habil Onyango. We really want to appeal to the security agencies to ensure that these known goons are arrested, prosecuted, and also let's ensure that the lives of journalists in Homa Bay are really protected. The Constitution of the Republic of Kenya is very clear on the responsibilities and the role of the media. And we will not be cowed by any pressure, any intimidation from anybody that would think that by abducting us, by intimidating us, by harassing us, we are not going to do our duty.
And we want to request the police to arrest the 4 culprits. They are people known to us, and we want to demand that they be arrested. Number 2, we also want to demand that these culprits take charge of the medical expenses that Habil is going to incur in the hospital. It was just by good luck that Habil survived. It would have been a different case today. Again, we want to ask Her Excellency the Governor to rein on this terror. One, Beatrice Akugo is somebody known to us, and we want to demand that if he can hire goons to attack one Habil Onyango, then an action must be taken against her by Her Excellency the Governor.